Hi, my name is Vidyasri Selvam and I'm from DFO 3B and my matrix number is 33DFO 19F1057.
My name is Kesavi. I am from DFO 3B. My matrix number is 33DFO 19F1061.
My name is Khalid Vili Shankar and my matrix number is 33DFO19F1069.
Before we proceed to the making of process and procedures of coconut oil, let us take a look of how coconut oil is made in the industries. Here are some pictures of how coconut oil is made in the industry.
Before moving into the process and procedures, let's see what is coconut oil in general. Coconut oil is also known as copra oil, is an edible extracted oil from the kernel or the meat of matured coconuts. Coconut oil has lots of benefits as it has various applications. We use coconut oil in cookings, and as a non-edible product, we use coconut oil to apply on the skin and the hair. As we know, coconut oil, it has the highest content of saturated fats, which benefits lots or abundantly in our daily uses. In industries, coconut oil is produced after undergoing lots of processes and procedures. For example, it undergoes refining, hydrogenation, deodorization, bleaching, fractionation, centrifugation, and many more processes. At the end, we obtained, or the coconut oil is produced with lots of benefits and a clean coconut oil without any impurities. So now let's see how it is easy to make at home besides undergoing lots of processes in the industry.
So first of all, we have to buy a coconut, a matured coconut, and my group is just using one coconut. So it will give us 17 grams of coconut oil and 34 grams of coconut milk, and this is the matured coconut. Second is the husk of coconut is peeled off from it. The coconut is broken into two parts. Next, the flesh of coconut is extracted out. So this is the flesh of the coconut. Subsequently, the flesh of coconut are grated using the grater. Sekarang.
Next is adding the grated coconut into the blender for blending process. Next, adding. Meanwhile, the grated coconut is blending. Now I'm going to talk about the purpose of adding fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds enhance the growth of hair and also act as a cooling agent in our body to cool down the body temperature. Furthermore, strain the grated coconut from the coconut milk using a strainer. To be more specific, press the grated coconut to get more milk from the grated coconut. This is how the concentration level of coconut milk should be after the straining process. The next step is pour the strained concentrated coconut milk into a metal pan for the final heating process. Meanwhile, stir the concentrated milk to avoid it burn at the bottom. Once it started to boil, keep on stirring and let it boil for 20 to 25 minutes till we observe the oil coming up. After the heating process, now strain the oil that we obtained from the coconut milk. Let it cool completely. The oil cools down completely. Finally, now strain the oil into a nice container.
For the precaution step, we need to be careful and safety when we handle with knife to cut the coconut into 2 pieces, and also when we cut the flesh of the coconut into pieces, because it may cause injury. And also we have to wash our hand with soap and water thoroughly to maintain the hygiene.
Precautionary steps. Precautionary steps needed to be taken in this process is avoid using wet hand while handling electrical appliances.
The final precautionary step we should take is wear kitchen gloves to filtrate and to avoid any accidents that could happen and any injuries that could happen, because this pan is very and extremely hot after the boiling. So use or hold the pan with the kitchen gloves. During the heating process, be careful when you are lighting up the stove, since it is a very flammable natural gas.
In conclusion, the coconut oil not only suitable for hair, thus it is also beneficial for other purposes too. Hope we have delivered the process and procedure of making the coconut oil in easy, simple and unique way. Thank you very much.